Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for the overwhelming response that we have received for the very first video of our translation series. So here we are back with another kind of translation series, second video. So we want you to even comment down what are the things that you need even more for these kind of translation series. So we'll dive into the video and we'll discuss more over the translation from mother tongue to professional English. So here we start with our series 2 with the first sentence. Let's see the first sentence. Nenu interview hazarayyanu kani na interview teeskoledu. So for this we'll try to translate in our professional English. I have attended the interview but it didn't happen. So as I have told you yesterday, whatever we are translating, make sure that every content in our mother tongue language, mother tongue sentence is translated in the same meaning in professional English. So the same thing, I have attended. Hazaru ayanu can be translated to attended the interview, but it didn't happen. Teeskoledu, it didn't happen, it didn't conducted. You can translate in that way. So let's see the second sentence. Na resume ni update cheyaledu. I didn't update my resume. So if you do have any suggestions over your kind of problems in translation, please do comment. Let's see the third sentence. Naku na pariksha phalitam gurinchi andolanaga undi. So this we can write, I am worried about my exam result. So hope you have that ground rule of translating each and every word to your professional English. Please don't forget that. So let's see the fourth sentence here. Nannu nenu sarididdukovali. I need to change myself. So that's the way we have to convert or translate our mother tongue sentences to professional English sentence. Let's see this last sentence for this series. Nenu na udyoga prayatnamlo unnanu. I am into my job trials or job seeking journey. So here I have given either this can be done or else this can be done. So for this sentence I have given two types of translations. So you can use any type of translation or in the professional English while you are using it in your daily conversation. So practice these kind of sentences or translations, and if you do have anything from your end, type it in your mother tongue. I will translate and give you the insights in the next video. I'll get back to you soon with another video, and till then keep practicing, keep learning, and subscribe to Newzeninfotech channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.